Hello and welcome to 3D Print Passion. Today I like to give you a very quick view into the beta version for Windows of shapeR3d. This software looks for me very new. It's still available for Macintosh and iPhones, but for Windows it looks to be brand new. Very nice is after the installation of the software, it starts up with a pretty nice tutorial. It shows you how to move parts, how to draw new elements, how to extrude parts, and how to move 3D parts along your screen, how to add new elements into a system object, and to drill holes into objects and so on. So really a pretty nice tool. You see here also how to smoothen edges, and I will show you very quickly on an example how I design with a new sketch. A very little thing I need to replace because the original part is broken, and you see up on the right side on the top I have changed from meters to millimeters because that's the dimension I like to work into. And yeah, my part is really a very small bridge element, which I need to replace. And I thought that will be a nice idea to check out how quick it could be built up in shapeR3d. Yeah, so I take the line tool and draw in the right dimension the object I need to have, and you see here I have already now my basic element, but that's not enough. I can now extrude it by 3.8 millimeters. That's exactly the height I need. Yeah, but the object is a little bit more to do. And so I need a rectangle tool to add some more elements here. And I need a quarter with 6.5 by 6.5 on the left side. And you see here that it, if you move it along the screen, that it snaps into a very nice position. So it's automatically centered correctly. The same one I do on the right side, also 6.5 by 6.5, and again I move it along the screen, wait for the snap orientations, and as soon as it snaps, it's placed correctly. Pretty nice. So that's the part in its basic design. I need to extrude now the objects on the right and on the left. Also at the moment with 3.8 millimeters. And it's really easy to use if you see how quick it works. Let's have a look to the edges, for example. There are two functions for offset edge. It's the loop mode and the single mode, and you can make flat edges and round edges here in compare. Really easy, and it have the workability to handle or to paint new parts, like you know it, for example, for Tinkercad, but with more functionality, much more functionality at my opinion. So it's a little bit somewhere between Tinkercad And Fusion, for example, it's somewhere in the middle over there and really easy to use, in my opinion. So I will now make my round edges here, and I take on both sides 2 millimeters, click the edge, 2 millimeters, return, done. Okay, looks good so far. So I need now between the quarter and the main part a little spacer with a height of 3.8 millimeters, and the quarter I have designed in the beginning. It need to be a 6.5 by 6.5 by 6.5 in the end, because I need that one as a connector. And I use the shell function, to don't waste too much material, and because it's a connector it need to have the right dimension. That I will do on both sides, and that's it. Have a look to the available versions for Microsoft, for macOS and for iPad. And you see also here the plans. So the free version only is usable for 2 active designs. For me, that's enough. You can export the STLs and 3MFs only in a lower quality, but for the most of the objects it should be, in my opinion, enough. If you don't have too many details, it should be okay. If you need more, you can use standard or the business plan. But for my use of this tool, I think for the moment the free version is enough for me to play a little bit around. Yeah, if you like, let's have a look to it. And thanks for giving me some comments below the video what you think about this shapeR3d. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time and happy printing. Bye bye.